Welcome back to the channel. We have my 2005 Beetle, and yeah, the bolt has came out, which has caused rubbing against the drive shaft and has cracked the sway bar link right there. So we're going to replace those things. We're not going to replace the lower control arm today. We're just going to connect it back on there, and then we are going to fill the transmission fluid because apparently it's leaking. It's leaking everywhere. It's kind of hard to see that right now, but yeah, it leaks everywhere. So we're going to fill that up and see if that third and fourth gear works, which honestly I'll be surprised if it does, but we're going to try. And if that doesn't work, then we know it needs a new transmission. So yeah. So next on the list is to replace these, or to remove these 3 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3. All right. Gonna take that off. We're gonna loosen that bolt right here, and then we're gonna see if we can push that back in place. Car rod ends, look at that, all torn. All torn up right there. I want to take that bolt out. I want to, but I don't feel like I have to. God, what is going on? This is stupid. All right, there we go. put all this back together before I tighten everything. Alright, so we got the 17mm hex, so I can finally get that joint out of there. See what this thing does. Alright, so we're gonna take that fill plug out. There it is right there, behind all these hoses, and then fill it up with the fluid they gave me till it drips. Alright y'all, we got the jack in the back, kind of even it out. So now, this will tell me if I need a transmission or not. Alright. Alright, time to fill it up with whatever he gave me back here.
But we got this guy right here.
this is what we got so far. And it looks like it's leaking somewhere from the axle. See that? Big leak right there. So we got action from the axle, and then maybe from here. I don't know what this is. This guy right here. I don't know what that thing is. I'm scared to tighten it up. Maybe I should tighten it and see what happens. But definitely an axle leak. So maybe that's an axle seal. I don't know. But I do know I am going to see if third and fourth gear works. So yeah. Right there. Right in the middle. So maybe that's some sort of axle seal. Hopefully. Alright, time to see what it does. It looks like I got third, but no fourth right now. So that's kind of sad. That's really kind of sad. I don't know, maybe I should take it for a ride. What do y'all think? I'll take it for a ride and see what it does. How about that? Alright guys, we got third, but we don't have no fourth gear still. It's not catching nothing. But I was able to fix the third gear and the suspension. So here's that. So that kind of sucks. I probably need a transmission, which is not the end of the world, but you know, it's doable, you know. So that is where we at right now, guys. So got good news and bad news. So I'm gonna do some more research, or the fourth gear went kaput, because it did take like 3 quarts. So that is, I'm sorry y'all, that's annoying. Alright y'all, so that is all for today's video for now. If you guys have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, and that's it. Peace.